Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 39 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to discuss on a new topic and that is why people fail. So, I think that I can speak better on this topic as it is related to me. I have not achieved success till now and I am failing continuously and I am accepting it with smile. I am not accepting it with worry because I know that failure is the step to success. And how failures come when we are not disciplined, when we don't do our work consistently. For example, if I will give you my example, what I do or what I was doing earlier was I used to focus on one subject and I used to study it continuously. Like I like maths, so I used to solve maths whole day. I don't have proper routine, I don't have proper plan. I have completed my graduation in 2023, but i I thought that I will prepare for bank exam, but I didn't prepare any plan, that is 6 month road map or 12th month road map, that in this time frame I have to clear that exam. I have not prepared any road map. So it is one of the most mistake that every students make is to not prepare roadmap. When we are in school, we used to prepare teachers provide us roadmap, and there is a exam in 1 year. But in competitive exam, roadmap is really essential for our student because here no guidance is there, and I am doing by self study. So roadmap is really important for all of us who are preparing for competitive exam. So uh, I think it has for that reason only, because of not having proper roadmap I have wasted my 2 years. And now I am focusing and I am planning all my daily to do list and daily plan so that I will not fail further. So a proper roadmap is really necessary. Consistency, discipline, and fear over, and we should not fear to fail, because failure is the step to success. And many people fail, I have told the reason, because in exam what happens that there are many subjects, but people only focus on student only focus on only single subject, or they waste time without planning. So according to my experience, I have expressed what are why people fail. And so some people also fail because of their overconfidence. They think that exam is near 40 days, I will crack, I have confidence in my, and that overconfidence also kill that person. So we should always measure our outcomes, we should always measure our challenges, that we should be able to do or not. And why we will not able to do, we will definitely able to do, because we all are created by almighty god, and he has give god has given us this chance. And many reason why people fail is because they miss the opportunity. And many people fail in life also because if they fail in one time, they think that in next time they will also fail. I will share one incident of mine. When I was in school, in class 2 I have taken in dance class, dance competition, but my teacher told me that you are not dancing so well. So after that I have not danced in my school, never, because I lost my confidence and I was not trying. So if you don't want to fail, you have to try. That's the main motive of this video, that you have to build confidence, you have to be have determined, you have to be consistently, and you have to try. That's all for today's video. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe, and share and comment. I am just improving day by day. I am thinking that I am just improving day by day. And if you all are liking my video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And so, and don't be so burdened about anything. You have to do it, do for your will. So that's all for today video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.